So my name is Sophie Lee and I'm based in Manchester. I work mainly with photography in quite a performative way. So I make temporary structures using ephemeral materials like paper, and also places, spaces and characters that exist only for that moment and often only for that photograph. First impressions of the building were that it's much bigger than I'd imagined and much lighter for kind of an old stripped back space. I think there's lots of lovely light. Yeah, it's a fantastic building. So I'm going to be doing a workshop next Thursday, and in the workshop we'll be developing our ideas skills and working with paper structures to develop concepts, but in a really playful and accessible way.
Okay, and hopes and aspirations for the project?
Hopes and aspirations for the project. I think that, I'm so excited to be working on this project. I have a background in teaching, but I'm really passionate about arts education and alternative models of art school. So yeah, this project is really perfect from the research that I've been doing into both the history of art education and also looking at Icelandic arts education. And actually went over there last year and did a residency in a bit of a research project, and saw that they have a lot of freedom. The teachers have a lot of freedom in the way that they can develop their curriculum. And I think what's really exciting about this is that we have a similar freedom as the artists, both delivering the workshops in testing new ideas, but also for the students and our audience to come in and experience new ways of learning and new ways of thinking about art.